back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll discuss the effect of temperature on the rate of the reaction. So now, what is the effect of temperature on the rate of the reaction? So you know, as the temperature increases, then क्या होगा? Rate of the reaction will what? Increases. So from the experiment, it was found that for every 10 degrees centigrade rise in temperature, then क्या होगा? The rate of the reaction gets double. So this is obtained from the what? Experiment. So what is the statement? For every 10 degree centigrade rise in temperature, the rate of the reaction gets double. So what does it mean? It means that when the temperature increases, the rate of the reaction increases. Okay? So now, the effect of temperature on the rate of the reaction, is given by, what is the equation? Arrhenius equation. Okay? The effect of temperature on the rate of the reaction is given by what? Arrhenius equation. So what is Arrhenius equation? So Arrhenius equation क्या होगा? K is equal to what? A into e to the power minus EA divided by what? RT. So इसमें K क्या है? K is the what? Rate constant. ठीक है? A is what? Arrhenius factor. Or pre-exponential factor. Okay? And E is the what? Exponential. So EA क्या होगा इसमें? EA is the what? EA is the what? Activation energy. R is the what? Universal gas constant. And T is the what? Temperature. ठीक है? So this is known as what? Arrhenius equation. अभी देखो, so Arrhenius equation क्या था? K is equal to what? A into e to the power minus EA divided by what? RT. ठीक है? Or on applying the what? Natural log, that is ln. So ln K is equal to what? Ln A into what? E to the power minus EA divided by what? RT. Okay? So this is what? Log of A into B means what? Log of A plus log of B. इसमें देखो, there is a statement ln e to the power minus x is equal to what? Only minus x. ठीक है? So you have to apply this in this one. अभी क्या मिलेगा? और ln k is equal to what? ln A minus EA divided by what? RT. ठीक है? So ln k is equal to what? ln A minus EA divided by what? RT. Okay? So this is what? Equation number 1. Or अभी क्या था? ln is equal to what? 2.303 log. That is 2.303 log of K is equal to what? 2.303 log of A minus EA by what? RT. That is, you can write log of K is equal to what? Log of A. A divided again means 1. So minus EA divided by what? 2.303 RT. So this is the what? Modification of Arrhenius equation in terms of what? Log. ठीक है? So तुमको क्या मिला है अभी? Log of K is equal to what? Log of A minus E divided by what? 2.303 RT. So this is the what? Final Arrhenius equation. अभी देखो, अगर एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आएगा प्लॉट ऑफ log of K versus 1/t. Draw the plot of what? Log of K versus 1/t. T means what? Temperature. So, वो कैसे कर सकते हो? So अभी तुमको मिला है log of K is equal to what? Log of A minus EA divided by 2.303 RT. So compare this equation with the what? Equation of straight line. What is the equation? Y is equal to what? mx plus c. This is the what? Equation of straight line. So this is what y. This is what? जो 1/t था means what? x. Then ये क्या होगा? m होगा. ये क्या होगा? c होगा. So what will be the plot? Log of k 1/t. So there is a what? Intercept. Intercept means what? Log of k. Sorry. Intercept means what? Log of a. That is, this is the intercept. That is log of a. And slope क्या होगा? Slope is equal to what? Minus EA divided by 2.303 R. ठीक है? So the slope of Arrhenius equation is what? Minus EA divided by 2.303 R. And intercept क्या हो गया? Log of A. So remember this equation. Okay? So now activation energy. Activation energy. ठीक है? So before we discuss about the activation energy, so Arrhenius equation क्या है? K is equal to what? A into e to the power minus EA by RT. So इसमें ये क्या है? ये is the what? Activation energy. Okay. So let us consider the reaction. Let us consider a chemical reaction. So what is the reaction? Hydrogen reacts with what? Iodine molecule to give what? Hydrogen iodide as a product. ये reaction कैसे होगा? The pathway. Pathway means what? Mechanism. The pathway of the reaction is कैसे होगा? When hydrogen reacts with iodine, it gives what? Hydrogen iodide as a final product. So when hydrogen reacts with iodine, it first gives a what? Intermediate. Intermediate means what? It is the, so when hydrogen reacts with iodine, it gives what? Hydrogen iodide. ठीक है? So इसमें अभी क्या होगा? This is what? Hydrogen plus this is what? Iodine molecule. So now when they react क्या मिलेगा, you will give a what, intermediate. It will give you what, intermediate. So इसमें dotted line. So what does it represent? It represents that what, the bond between hydrogen and iodine begins to form, and the bond between what, hydrogen and hydrogen begin to dissociate. The bond between what, iodine and iodine begin to what, dissociate. ठीक है. So finally क्या मिलेगा, ये dissociate हो जाएगा, gives what, 2HI. So what is intermediate? It is a substance that is formed before the product. And अगर intermediate का decomposition होगा और dissociation होगा, it will give the what, final product. ठीक है. अभी देखो, when hydrogen and iodine reacts, it directly does not give the intermediate. It directly does not give the what, intermediate. ठीक है. Hydrogen and iodine reaction means what? There is a collision. There is a what, combination or collision between what, hydrogen and iodine. ठीक है. So now, if there is a what, collision between hydrogen and iodine, means what? हाइड्रोजन का कोई काइनेटिक एनर्जी होगा, इसका काइनेटिक एनर्जी होगा. ठीक है. सो हाइड्रोजन collides with what, iodine molecule to give the what, intermediate. Then इस intermediate का क्या होगा, dissociation होगा to give what, hydrogen iodide as a product. ठीक है. Means what, intermediate formation होने के लिए क्या चाहिए, you need some energy. So what is activation energy? The amount of energy required by the what, reactant molecule to form the what, activated complex. This is also known as what, activated complex. ठीक है. So what is activation energy? It is the what, amount of energy required by the what, reactant molecule to form what, activated complex. Say this is the what, reactant A, this is the what, reactant B. So A and B reacts or collide, then it will give a what, intermediate. So this is what, activated complex. ठीक है. इसका अगर डिसोसिएशन होगा, then it will give the what, product. अगर इसका डिसोसिएशन होगा, then it will give the what, product. That is, the formation of product from the reactant goes to the what, formation of a complex that is known as what, activated complex. And activated complex formation होने के लिए जो एनर्जी रिक्वायरमेंट होगा, this is known as what, activation energy. ठीक है. For the reaction, R gives what, P. R is the what, reactant and P is the what, product. ठीक है. So इसमें क्या होगा, this is the what, reaction coordinates. And this is the what, Z rate. ठीक है. So this is energy. You can say energy. So now this is what, reactant. As you know, क्या होगा, out of reactant and product, product का एनर्जी क्या होगा, लेस होगा as compared to what, reactant. ठीक है. So reactant gives the what, product. So now this is the state where activated complex is formed. इसमें जो complex formation होगा उसका नाम क्या होगा, activated complex. ठीक है, ओके। इसमें देखो, दिस इज व्हाट रिएक्टेंट, दिस इज द व्हाट प्रोडक्ट. So the energy difference between the reactant and product is known as what? Enthalpy. इसका नाम क्या है? Enthalpy. And the energy difference between the what? Activated complex and reactant is known as what? Activation energy. So what is activation energy? It is the what? Amount of energy required by the what? Reactant molecules to give the activated complex, or you can say the energy difference between the activated complex and reactant is known as what? Activation energy. So what is activation energy? डेफिनेशन क्या होगा? It is the amount of energy required by the reactant molecule to give activated complex, or you can say the energy difference between reactant and activated complex. So what is activation energy? It is the what? Amount of energy required by the what? Reactant molecules to give the activated complex, that is intermediate, or you can say energy difference between the what? Reactant and activated complex. ठीक है, और इसका यूनिट क्या होगा? जूल पर मोल. ठीक है, so now Arrhenius equation. At two different temperature, Arrhenius equation at two different temperature. That is say, what is the temperature? T1 and T2. Okay. अभी देखो Arrhenius equation क्या था? K is equal to what? A into e to the power minus EA by what? RT. Okay. और क्या था? ln K is equal to what? ln A minus EA by RT. So this is the what? Initial part of Arrhenius equation. So now temperature क्या क्या है? T1 and T2. So at T1 क्या लिख सकते हो? So T1 है, so K will be replaced by what? K1. So ln K1 is equal to what? ln A, और सेम रहेगा. So minus E A R सेम होगा, ये क्या हो जाएगा? T1. This is what? 2. ठीक है. Similarly at T2 क्या होगा? ln K2 is equal to what? ln A minus EA by what? RT2. This is what? Equation number 3. So now इसके बाद क्या होगा? So equation 2 minus equation 3, यहाँ से क्या मिलेगा? So ln k1 minus what? ln k2, ठीक है? So ln a minus ea divided by what? rt1. So minus आ गया, ये प्लस था, that is what? ln a. This is what minus. So minus minus क्या हो जाएगा? It will be plus. That is what? ea divided by rt2. So what is cancel out here? ln a, that is cancel out. इसमें लिखो ln k1 minus what? ln k2 means what? Log of a minus log of b means what? Log of a by b. So इसमें क्या हो जाएगा? ln k1 divided by what? k2. So क्या मिलेगा? प्लस को आगे लिखो. So ea rt2 minus ea divided by what? rt1. ठीक है? और यहाँ से क्या लिख सकते हो? ln k1 by k2 is equal to what? ea. You can take the common of what? ea by r. ठीक है? That is what? 1 by t2 minus 1 by t1. Or if you write ln in terms of what? Log, that is 2.303 log of k1 by k2. अगर 2.303 इसमें है, इस साइड में अगर क्या होगा? ea divided by what? 2.303 r into what? 1 by t2 minus 1 by t1. So this is the what? Arrhenius equation at two different temperature. So what is the equation? Log of k1 divided by k2 is equal to what? ea divided by 2.303 r into what? 1 by t2 minus 1 by t1. Remember, इसमें k1 है, इसमें क्या आ जाएगा? t2. ठीक है? So after this, we have to discuss about the what? Effect of catalyst on the what? Rate of the reaction, and also what? Collision theory of chemical reaction. Okay? So for today, this one. So tomorrow we'll discuss the what? Effect of catalyst on the rate of the reaction, and also what? Collision theory.